Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Finally, I know how to solve my square one. Problem is I don't memorize the parity algorithm. Also, my VR box finally came. But finally it came. I ordered it in Lazada. Took about 4 days. So let's get right into the video. Today I'll be teaching you how to solve the first layer in the 3x3. So if you don't have a 3x3, I recommend getting anything that is worth your price. Maybe a Youngju, maybe a Yulong, a Moe, or anything that's pretty good. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is pieces, center. It never moves, it's always next to what color it has to be next to. An edge, 2 colors, a corner, 3 colors. So I'm gonna be separating this series in maybe 4 parts. Yeah, maybe. So this is the first part. So the first thing you need to build is a cross. After building a cross, we would add in the other edges. So how to build a cross? You just start any color you want. Okay, I recommend being color neutral so that you have better advantage. So I started on white, so you should and do another cross later and just pause this video. So if you're gonna start on white, you find an edge that's white on it. This one is white, red, and white. You gotta connect this to its center. So no, that's wrong. Okay, it's not connected. It is connected, but the red isn't. The white is, but the piece is. So that's very confusing. So what you do is you bring that up on that face. Okay, that's simple. Just bring it up. If you just turn it like that, it's okay. Then now it's connected. What you do is you bring it down on that face. So don't go like that. That you're gonna be confused where. Don't solve it like this. Solve the cross where it's under. So now you bring this piece down, so you can make a line. Now let's find another piece. This one has white and orange. Also this one, but this one is already connected. So what we do is we bring that down here. Okay. And now, like what I said, it's not correct. So you just bring it up. So in case you have this, you could do M. Like you can just insert it with using M's if you're very good at it, but you're a beginner, so I don't recommend. But what you do is you put it on place, you move it away, you bring that down, put it in, you bring it back up. You bring that back up in case there's a piece there, but there's none. Just bring it back up. It feels good. Now the last piece, it's already in place, so we just put it on the blue. Now it's a line, we bring it down. So now let's put another one. This one, blue and white. So we bring that up, we put it down, blue, white, green, we bring it down, put it in. And now these are connected magically, so we just bring them both down. So the second step for the first layer is the corners. We gotta fill these up. So we're gonna find corners with white pieces. This one is white, and look at the other colors, blue, orange. You put it at the center of the blue and orange centers. Okay, and then do this algorithm. The white must be facing you. Okay, it has to be on your right or left. If it's on your right, do this. Okay, just do that. And next, this one, green and orange. But if it's facing you, you can only do it once. Green and orange. Now, okay, it must be on your right. Okay, it's facing you, and do this. Okay, do that algorithm like. And now when you get something like this, piece facing up, you could do this way. I mean, you could put it on place, you bring that up, so it will be facing. But what I mostly did when I was a beginner, I just did the algorithm again twice. I mean price. Okay. If now, in case if it's in the left, this time it's not facing you, you must hold it here just to do the mirror of that move. Okay. But if it's facing up, it's okay. So I'm gonna show you a trick. So even though it's not facing you, you could just do this algorithm. If you prefer right and left, you could do this. So let me show you another example. So with